Good morning, you guys! I'm starting this Thursday with a cup of mint tea. We're having a very gloomy morning. Although the weather report said that we won't have rain, here it is. But anyway, even if the weather is so-so, we're still gonna have a super exciting day because guess what? I am finally organizing and sorting out my pantry. It is a big day. Why? Because I've been living here for over 4 years and basically had no pantry. I know, but before we get to do that, I still have to make my breakfast, eat my breakfast, get dressed, sort this thing out.
Sorry for how it's looking right now, but if you have watched one of my previous vlogs, then you know that this all has a purpose.
Okay, it's literally raining on me, so let's go. I got dressed, I got ready, the soup is cooking. It is raining a little bit, but still before breakfast I want to check if I can pick up some strawberries. I got 5 strawberries, one is a bit eaten, but that's okay, we can share our produce. Today's weather is crazy. Sun, rain, clouds, mist, everything all at once. Wind as well. It's raining and there is completely blue sky above me. Make it make sense. I think the soup is almost done. Plus I'm being rained on. Bye. This is a very good soup. 2 ingredients, yeah. But I don't know if it's the type of cabbage that I use. I use the heart-shaped one and it tastes much better than when I use the normal one. I don't know, but the soup with this specific cabbage, just cabbage and carrots, 2 ingredients, so delicious. So regarding the pantry, the past 4 years we only had like a small room and everything was just sitting on the floor. All the food, all the groceries, everything was just on the floor. It was not a good look. So we decided to install some shelves and this took some time. I mean some time. I think it took 2 years. I think it took 1.5 years. But at least now the shelves are in, they're painted, they're ready, we can decorate. After eating the soup, I'm showing you how it looks so far. Hello and welcome into my pantry. As you can see, this space is not super big, but it's just right amount of space for us. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shelves. They're quite narrow, but I think this is plenty of space for us because we mostly eat fruits and vegetables. We store those in the fridge and some things in the freezer, so we really don't need as big of a pantry. If anything, we would need a bigger fridge, and that is on my wish list. It is coming one day, I don't know when. This thing right here is a construction beam, which is literally holding up the house, but the carpenter did a really good job cutting the wood all around it. So I really love how it turned out. We did have the possibility to install the shelves also on this back wall, but we figured this is good enough for now. And I love how sleek it is. You still have plenty of space to move in here. I'm excited to decorate. So on our to-do list, I need to go grab some containers, maybe baskets, I don't know, plates, something to make it easier to organize things. So you know what time it is? It's time to go shopping. Got the goods, let me show you the haul. First, I got 3 woven baskets. I think these are just super cute. I love the texture and also the size. It is not too small and not too big. I may buy more of these if needed. Then I got 3 of these adorable wooden crates. Aren't they the cutest thing ever? Those were the only ones that were left in store and I just took them all. 2 are big ones and then 1 a smaller version. I may do another trip to the store to see if they get more of these ones because they are just lovely. And lastly, I got some trays. Look at this design. Whoa! So pretty, right? This with the crates, I just think it goes so well together. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these, 4 with this green leaves design and 2 black and white. Again, I took everything that I got. Primarily, I wanted to go only for the green ones, but at the end of the day, they go pretty well together. I think these are gonna be great to place on oils and other things like that that could stain the wood. That was my haul. Now let's fill up the pantry. I am so happy that it's finally time to sort out this messy situation. Bye-bye, mess! I think this looks pretty fine. Now we have to put in the groceries. So good, huh? Yeah, last one. Before going to the grocery store, I'm gonna have a quick lunch. This is what I like to have when I really don't have time to cook. And today is one of those days. I'm just having a coconut wrap. I spread on it some hummus and also half an avocado. I'm gonna eat 2 wraps. This is not a very big lunch. I'm probably gonna have some fruit, chocolate, a ton of snacks after this. This is really not ideal. I prefer to have a big lunch and not snack after that, but today is a special day. The sun is messing up with my camera settings all the time today. Just bear with me. These wraps are having a very funny aftertaste today. I hope they're not expired. They've been in my fridge for quite some time. But we don't have time to be picky today. We gotta eat what we have.
Today is such a mess. I'm constantly eating hair. It is stressful.
It's like sun, no sun, sun, no sun, hair in my mouth all the time. I'm sorry, I'm annoying today.
I'm even annoying myself, if that makes you feel better.
But I prefer to eat in these extreme conditions than tidying up my dining table. Because the situation there is still desperate. The food shop is done, and before I put everything away into the pantry, I want to show you what we keep in there. So let's do a quick pantry haul. Olive oil, we use a ton of it. We put it into salads for cooking. It's everywhere. And you guys made fun of me for that in one of my previous videos. Sorry, not sorry. This is healthy. Balsamic and apple cider vinegar. We got some honey. Pickles, I love these, but I cannot eat them, so they're not for me. Some rice, some beans for the salads. Again, these are not really for me because my tummy and those, they are not friends, although I love them. Then we got some buckwheat. I'm not really used to having it as a side dish, but I wanted to give it a try. Buckwheat flour, I need this to make my pancakes, so yum. Almond flour for the cookies, coconut flour also for cookies, and sometimes I even make crackers out of these. Quinoa, because occasionally I like to make it like oatmeal in the morning, but with quinoa, not with oats. Sometimes I even like to have millet in the morning, not often, but from time to time. These quinoa crackers that we love in this household, they are so delicious with Almond butter and flaky sea salt. Nothing can beat this. Almond butter is one of those things that I just cannot take out of my life. I have to be honest with myself, it does not do well to my tummy, okay? I get bloated after eating this and I'm still gonna do it. I don't get it. What is one food that you know it doesn't do well to your body and you still eat it? You just cannot cut it. Then we have chia seeds because I put this in my smoothies every morning. Canned coconut milk, which I use to make popsicles. Some dark chocolate. They don't have my 99% chocolate at stores right now, which is very rude and very sad, but this will do. Coconut milk, which I use for my cauliflower soup, and almond milk for the smoothies. And lastly, a lot of coconut water because besides teas and usual water, we just don't drink anything else. So these are all my groceries that I usually like to keep in my pantry. As you can see, there's really not much. We don't eat too many prepackaged foods. No sauces, no sodas, no ketchups and things like that. And also we don't like to buy junk food, sweets, crackers, biscuits, because I figured if I don't have those in my house, I'm not gonna eat them. But if I have them in my pantry, of course at 10 o'clock in the evening, I'm gonna be craving something and be sure that I'm gonna be eating that bag of chips. So it's better not to have them at all. Right, now the most exciting part, let's put all these things into the pantry. Snack break, I'm having half of a papaya. This is one of my favorite fruits. Oh my gosh, this one is very good. Just ripe enough. I definitely want to plant a papaya tree because where I live, I saw that some people grow papayas and I want to be one of them. Please let me join the club. It seems like a lot of fun. Besides taste, what I love with papayas is how easy they are to eat. You just cut it in half, take the seeds out, take a spoon, and you're eating. Not messy, so easy, so quick, so yum. Have I sold a papaya to you yet? Don't worry, I'm not sponsored by papayas, okay? So good, and this particular one is just wow. Growing up, I never had papayas because they were just not growing where I live. And we mostly ate local foods. You know, we had cherries, apricots, peaches, plums, apples, pears, you know, a ton of fruit, but just not papayas or mangoes, fruits like that. I tried my first mango in Norway and I fell in love. It was so delicious, but when we came here, I also tried a papaya and yum. I got something bitter. It was probably one of the seeds. Ooh. That was nasty. Ta-da! It's done! Oh my gosh, I think it looks so freaking cute. It's like those cozy, homey health food stores. I love it. No, but seriously, I think it's super cute. We obviously still have a lot of space. Like we still have pretty much 3 shelves all empty. So definitely buy more kitchen towels or olive oils because we go through these bottles like crazy. But yeah, I just think it's so adorable and just the perfect amount of space for what we need. Super, super happy. I also think I'm gonna use the bottom shelf for Tenny's food. So I definitely need to buy more of these. More trays, maybe more crates. But to begin with, very, very cute. Right, the pantry is sorted, but we still have a lot of work in this house. The DIY room, the walk-in closet, you're coming to this adventure with me. But next time. Love you guys. Bye!